feels so weird that TT is not here because she's with my parents. I'm gonna be here talking for long. I just got done working out, y'all, hence why I look like this. But I just wanted to come. I'm gonna do like a weekly vlog because this weekend we're planning to have like a self-care weekend, so I'm just here to yeah, talk to you guys. So today I went to go work out and it was very tiring. Like, I am not consistent with nothing in life, and literally I have been trying to just be consistent with stuff, be positive, change my mindset, because like your mind is your biggest setback. So like once you start thinking positive, then you'll start being positive. So I'm trying to start being more positive with life and just do everything that I say I'm gonna do, which today I did not write out my daily goals and plan out my day like I usually do because I wanted to just sleep today because Tiana's not here. So tomorrow in the morning, I'm going to basically just, maybe I'll show you guys what I do in the morning, or I don't know. But I write out every morning what I'm going to do as far as daily goals and all that stuff. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. But I just want to come talk to you guys about just how important it is in life to have someone who can help motivate you and give you that push when you don't have that push. And thankfully I'm surrounded by multiple motivating people, and I really had to change my circle up, guys. Like, I'm not just gonna make it seem like I've just been surrounded and motivated by these people. Like, I had to change my circle up and rearrange some people and cut some people out of my life, and nothing against them. Like, I still love them and I'll still talk to them every now and then, but I had to do that in order just to, you know, I got some goals that I'm trying to meet in life, y'all. And you got to hang around people that motivate you and lift you up and all that good stuff. So that's all I wanted to talk about. I wanted to get my vlog started for this weekly vlog so we can see what I'm gonna be doing throughout this week while Tiana's not here. I'm so thirsty. But I have some seafood. I don't think I'm gonna eat my seafood. I think I'm about to take a shower. Give me something to drink because I'm real thirsty. And then edit. Like, I gotta edit some vlogs. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Like, why do YouTube keep playing with me and my comments? Like, cut my freaking comments back on. Like, please cut my comments back on. So I got to ask nicely for y'all to cut my shit back on. Like, cut it back on, please. If you guys didn't know, okay, I watched this YouTuber, and in my head we're like YouTube sisters. Okay, her name is Miss Brittany M, and I've been watching her for a minute now. And she is like so motivational, and just like, y'all just go check her out, go check her channel out. But anyways, I brought her up because she is she recently just introduced her boyfriend to her channel, and she's pregnant. And I was like, oh my god, like, you know, like when you don't really know somebody but like you feel like you know them because, like, you know, like you watch them through YouTube. Like, even though you may not know them, like you feel like, okay, like we internet besties, like, yes. But yeah, that just makes me so happy. Like, do y'all know, like, when it makes you so happy just to see somebody else happy? Like, it just makes me happy. And it's like my internet sis is gonna have her baby. So anyways, y'all should go check her out. She's very motivational, and you can learn a lot from her because I've learned a lot from her. So definitely check her out. But that's it, y'all. I'm gonna go take a shower because I stink. And yeah. Oh my god, it keep getting so, you see what it's doing? It's sparking up.
That's how hot it is.
We'll be back because my camera keep fogging, y'all. Like, I don't know what to do. I was literally in a bad mood, but I'm not gonna let that ruin my day, okay? Because I'm just not gonna let it ruin my day. But I just want y'all to know, with everything that's going on in the world, and like from people being racist and stuff like that, like you just peep stuff. Like, we all knew it was racist people in the world, but like now you just peep like just stuff, and like just when people be nasty, like now it's just not, oh, maybe it's because you're having a bad day. Like, no, maybe it's because you just fucking nasty. So I'm not gonna let that ruin my day. I'm not gonna let that ruin my day, because at the end of the day, God always make a way. God come first, and God gonna make a way. That's just one thing. And when it happens, I'm gonna let y'all know about it. But it's just stuff getting in my way. But I'm really thirsty, and I'm not buying me nothing to eat today. But I took a picture with my new camera person, Elijah, and I don't know if I'm going to post a picture, but it came out kind of cute. It's just like a regular picture. Like, y'all see what I look like today, so it's just a regular picture. But I'm about to go get some blood work done, because I was supposed to do this like weeks ago, like a bunch of weeks ago, and I ain't went and did it yet. I feel like I got something else to do today, but I'll figure it out when I get home, because I write everything down, because I be forgetting. But I'm recording a story time today, and I wasn't gonna do my makeup, but I look a little all right, y'all, so this is gonna be a part of the weekly vlog. So we just got food from this wing spot. You can leave it up, and we're gonna go to McDonald's because somebody want McDonald's. I'm so, if it was up to Tiana, we would eat McDonald's for dinner every day, okay? I still can't believe that last night we went to eat and she chose Whataburger over Chick-fil-A.
We eat Chick-fil-A all the time.
I like Chick-fil-A. So yeah, we're gonna go eat. Oh, let me show y'all my food, because our food looks so good. Looks so good. All right. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. That barbecue smells so good. I should have got a hot wing.
Smell that.
It smells good, don't it? Litty. So I'm gonna be bringing y'all along the weekend with me. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no clue. The plans could change tomorrow, okay? I could be going to Africa tomorrow. Who knows? But we'll see what the plans is, and I'll let y'all know. Oh wait, my bad, hold on. Titi, what are you doing?
Since my eye is so bright, since the sun is so bright, I'm using this.
Oh, okay. Alright, so yeah, I went to TJ Maxx. I didn't take y'all in there because y'all probably want to see while I'm talking. I didn't take y'all in there because it was I really wasn't supposed to be getting anything but a bathing suit. So let me show y'all what I got. I got this hair stuff right here. I have never tried this before, but excuse my nail, y'all. I'm gonna take them off tonight. But I've never tried this before, so I'm gonna try it when I take my hair down, because my hair really needs some TLC. And then I have the conditioner. And then I got this Carol's Daughter. It's almond milk leave-in conditioner for my hair. Even though I feel like leave-in conditioner is a scam, because why can't I just leave in regular conditioner in my hair? But I bought it anyways because I heard Carol's Daughter is a very good brand. So that's what I got. And then I have got TT some socks, because I swear we lose socks. Like, if you're a mom, let me know. If you're a mom, let me know if you guys lose socks all the time, because we suck at keeping up with socks. And then I got this bathing suit for Tiana because I can't find her other bathing suit that we bought. So I got this bathing suit. And yeah, that's all that I got, y'all. We are supposed to be going to work out, so if we do, I'll be back when we go to work out and, like, you know, show you guys what we do when we work out, okay? Like, if you're trying to be a baddie, you know, I know it's already summertime, but if you want to be a baddie, okay, then follow me.
Oh, just kidding, just kidding. Okay, just kidding.
Look at the baby. Alright, y'all, so we are about to go on a nature trail. We got TP, Canarian, Darian, Elijah.
My name is the Itchy Gum because I'm so itchy.
Your name is what? Y'all, Tiana is itchy due to her eczema. But we have an appointment in the morning.
Told you I had eczema. Darren said I don't have no eczema.
This is fun.
It's not called eczema.
Okay.
Whew. That feels so better.
It feel better? And now she got my water on her back. I wanted my water. I don't want it.
I got it.
Yeah. I'm scared of this nature trail because nature trail sounds like bugs. But that's okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Nature trail. We have to cross the road, guys. So come up by me so we can cross the road together like a family. Yeah.
That's so better like this.
Oh, I really like cracking crab more than juicy crab. You do? Yeah, we went back. Me and my grandma. And got the same thing.
Juicy crab is good, but it's salty.
Yeah, juicy crab is good, but oh my god, cracking crab, food is good and seasoned. I don't feel like juicy crab is salty. I feel like they meat, like the outside be seasoned. Get on this side. The outside be seasoned, but alright, go.
It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's Superman.
I'm big scared, okay? Go. Bitch, look at this
It look like it must be snake.
It don't look stable. Oh my god. Most definitely is snakes. This don't look stable, but
That is somebody farted over here.
I got to look at the ground. What the? What the freak?
You know what? We good. We might well go ahead over there.
Where does this lead to?
It's a long trail.
You been? I was gonna say, is that your name right there? But no, that's not your name.
I wish that was. Oh my god. I don't know who could be here. No. It.
Who?
Titi talking about it. Pennywise.
Hey.
You fat.
Okay.
You're on your own. Y'all don't know how to run, baby. No.
I know how to run. I'm gonna be all stuff. I'm still gonna run. Y'all, one of y'all gonna get on my back. My mom can. I can.
Sometimes you see turtles in here.
Yeah.
Please don't try to reach over it.
Yeah, don't.
Come on, y'all.
Over for a while. I'm scared.
If you're
I'm a scared mama. Y'all, this don't feel too sturdy. It's sturdy.
Sit down there.
Have you been in that water before?
I didn't say it.
What?
I done said
Ma'am.
20 million prayers.
No,
Bitch, I
ma'am.
thought that was a snake over there.
They have alligators somewhere.
Huh?
Hey, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back. He says alligator.
Let's take a picture, y'all, for my thumbnail.
Yeah. It's water everywhere. We do this at summertime. Yeah. Don't look down because it's holes.
Okay, I'm not. So why'd you tell me that?
I don't know. Don't look down. If I even tell you, still don't look down.
It's grass up here.
You see it?
Right here, Duty.
Y'all see it moving?
That's not a fish. That's a crocodile.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
that's
Oh
a
my
fish.
God, it's big.
That's big. That's giant. No, it's large.
Look like it was here.
That's cool.
Imagine somebody catching
This was fun, even though I'm really scared.
I thought that was a crocodile.
Bitch, I thought it was an eel.
Hey, y'all, I see a crocodile all the way in those bushes.
I never seen it though.
I thought somebody who did something was underneath water.
Hey, there go another fish right there, y'all.
Oh, that orange thing?
Nuh-uh, it's right there.
It's yellow?
See, y'all see them? They in a group. Y'all see them?
Oh, I see him.
They swimming like by the water, by the plant.
Exotic and invasive species. So this is not telling us what we're walking on, but it's just telling us about the plants. Cool. Cool living. I feel like we walking over over the bridge where y'all know that old like children's tale where something lived under the bridge.
Oh, yeah.
And it always. Is that trash right there? Wait, TT. You see it's a person. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Why can't we go over there? What is that?
What?
It's a person. Don't run. Don't run. Not you, badass. It's coming.
Hey, y'all.
Don't waste the water. Now, see, I got to keep looking back because see, I thought we was the only ones on the trail, but turns out we not. Okay.
Mama's scared cat. Hey, come get him.
Come on.
All I see is that little
Who's next? Y'all better be ready. Go, go, go,
Imagine
go,
the frog
go,
just
go, 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 go. Who's next? Go, go, go. You suck. Don't act like you don't be doing the dance at home with TT.
I like that.
Good morning, Keilani gang. So this morning, and it's 7:38. We are on the way to Tiana's appointment, y'all, to see what's going on with her eczema. What can we do? What can we do to help make her stop being so itchy? But before we go to the appointment, I'm going to Panera to get me a coffee because I get free coffee. And their free coffee is kind of good. So I am going to go and get me some coffee. I don't eat their breakfast. So
Because when I was in country and I ate this, it was good.
you ate this for breakfast? With who, Nana?
Nana and Papa.
Nana and Papa?
No, actually, all of us.
All of y'all. Well, yeah, y'all, it's about 7:40. Tiana's appointment is at 8 o'clock. So let me see. Hi, I have the like free coffee thing.
Okay.
I wanted the iced coffee with almond milk.
You want any sugar in it?
Yes, can I get sugar, please? So right now I'm sitting in the car and we're just waiting on them to tell us that we can come in. But I'm responding to emails that I just need to respond to. I really don't even be knowing for real how to respond to these emails. I'm not even joking. But it's like my camera moving. So I don't know what all we have planned to do for today. Today we just have to go to the store because I have to get a gift. I don't know why I didn't get a gift yesterday when I was at the store, but we have to get a gift. And then I just have a couple things I need to do today. I needed to do this hair video, but y'all, I've been literally rocking the wig braids, like freaking going to put a wig on. It's just too hot for that down here. Like when I say it's really hot, it is really hot, y'all. But I do want to tell y'all that I'm just so proud. So if y'all watched like my last couple of videos, y'all know I've been talking about how I want to get on a routine, like a morning routine, and in that sense, and like I'm kind of getting it together. Like, yes, yay to me for getting my life together, okay? Because I'm trying. I'm really trying. It's 8 o'clock, so they need to be making this phone ring, baby. Because I was here early. Okay, what's good, y'all? I came on here before we went into the store because I'm gonna have the mask on, but I really hope that my camera don't go dead, but I have a feeling that it is gonna go dead because I have not charged it and I only have one battery. Rule number 1 to being a YouTuber, have more than one battery pack, okay? But I'm about to go on Target so we can get a birthday gift, and then we have to get stamps, and then we have to get, let me write this down because y'all know I'm gonna forget. So that's what we have to go get, and we're going to a birthday party. If I didn't let you guys know, it's a pool party. Tiana has her cute little bathing suit, which I'll show you guys later once we get to the birthday party. But we will be back. We might vlog in Target, we might not, so
We might. We will.
we will. Go.
Okay, guys, I just heard this story like I heard a song like this. Hey, yeah, check it. What's your name? Emma. You can sing that my little like say something. Hey. You see?
Okay, y'all, so I'm here finishing my weekend vlog. I'm so proud of myself, consistency. But we are about to go eat. Okay, so Shania, you can pick because I'm indecisive. We all know that.
So we want seafood?
Because they have a juicy crab, not cracker crab.
Yeah, we got a juicy crab. We have Applebee's. We have Samuel Steakhouse. And we have Johnny O. Quigley's. And we have lots of Mexican restaurants.
Steakhouse nice. Okay, that's the steakhouse we went to last time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you like that place?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I ran into the house from those drinks, so I won't drink what I had.
No, see, it was just that extra tequila shot you had, got.
Fasten passenger seat belt.
Yes, ma'am.
Please fasten driver seat belt.
Bougie car. Bougie.
It's too sweet.
Bougie. He said the way that thing move is so movie.
I don't think you do. I gotta put you on my statue.
Hanging out, hang out, hang out.
It is so humid out here. What is up with that?
How do you feel that it's humid?
It's how I know? Because it feels like it's not just hot. It's like hot and sticky. Like, feel like
I only know
breathe.
when I go get in the car and then my camera fogs up.
Oh yeah, but see, you can feel it. You know how like your car be foggy? It feel like that on your body. You don't feel that?
No.
Like misty, dewy, kind of just like almost like you don't have no oxygen.
No.
Y'all don't feel
Like
like
I
that?
always try to wonder.
Yeah, that's humid.
I
When
don't
you
feel that.
moist when you come outside, and it's just not just hot. It's like hot, moist,
dry
and then
heat, but
it's
moist.
right. That's humid.
Dry heat is Texas.
And that's what make your car fog up.
The dry heat. I want to know what it feels like.
Dry heat, horrible. You go to
Go to
Texas.
San Antonio. Oh, you don't even got to go to
Yeah,
San Antonio. You want to talk? What part of Texas you trying to
Actually
stay?
on the highway.
I went to San Antonio. I went to Target. They was even hotter. I said, oh hell no.
This to Jimmy House.
You're not gonna
Give you a
get
quick
Texas.
reminder in a few minutes, but Lily's Warehouse 50.
Not if y'all don't like
Jimmy
Jimmy
House.
I'm
nice house.
but the day that I went, y'all like my house. The day that I went, it was so hot. It was like very dry heat, and I was like already I just went.
The Amazon.
Girl, I didn't think about when we went out down here.
I miss her. I wanted to cry about that death, but I couldn't cry because
What dinner?
I went his death.
You know?
OG, her, that's
Who made that? Remy Red made that song, didn't
They it's her that's in the song. They in there together. It's a
I just woke up and it looks so nice out here. Look, y'all. Nice, nice, nice. We are at the pool and we are about to get in the water with Titi's waiting.
What?
I don't think you're gonna be able to stand up right there, Duty.
Over there?
Let me see. Say what's up. You drowning. Say hey, Duty. Show me a little something. This is my blanket, okay? This is my blanket, okay? My blanket. Duty, let me see you swim. You ready? Go. Yay, Toot. Who is they? Who? Them? Them? That's what they said? The girls? Y'all want to be in the video? Kids.